Hello everybody, I'm Jaden Penner, Byron's brother, and he invited me onto his channel today to do this video. Well, actually he has no idea I'm about to do this video, so I'll have to ask him if I can post it on his channel. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to do parkour. Now the first thing in parkour is to always take the hardest course possible, so that you will look the coolest. So, as a classic example, I will be showing you how to do the cool parkour way, and my brother Karsten over here will be showing you how to do the lame way. So let's go. And you'll also want to make a lot of unnecessarily loud grunting noises to make it sound like you're putting a lot of effort into it. Alright Karsten, let's see who can get to the clotheslines fast. Go! That, my friend, is the power of parkour. Now, as many of you are probably thinking, you realize now that parkour has many practical advantages, and one of these being able to run away from cops. Alright, so here I am at the park, and there is an old lady and an undercover cop. So I'm gonna show you how to successfully run away from the cop by first bullying the old lady.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'll help you. Move out of the way. Hey, get back here. Get back here. Another day, another job. Well done.
And now we'll move on to the next part of parkour, and that will be the flip. For the flip, you must always be doing flips whenever possible because they look so cool. Alright, so in a case like this where this poor boy is drowned, instead of doing a practical dive into the water to go save him and get distance, you can do a sweet flip, because then your person that you're saving will be eternally grateful that they did not get saved by someone who just dove in, and that would be super lame. So now, I'm gonna do a sweet flip to save that man.
I'll save you.
Get out of my way, sir! I know how to do parkour. I'll save you, sir! I can do parkour! Oh, I think I hit a rock. Little ones that always hurt. I think I'm gonna have to go to the hospital. So for this next shot, we'll be heading out towards the waterfall so that I can show you how to scale rock formations. So here we are at McGowan Falls, and we're going to teach you how to parkour on rocks. So the first thing you want to do when scaling rocks is to always shuffle your feet side to side. So instead of going straight like this, instead of that, you will want to go like this. So showing me doing the parkour way, and Karsten once again doing the lame way, it looks something like this. So in order to become a professional at parkour, instead of just doing the things like I've been teaching you so far, you'll have to be able to climb any surface, no matter how wet and slippery, like a waterfall. So in this shot, Karsten and I will be showing you how to be professional parkourers, and we're gonna climb that waterfall. comment below what you'd like for us to do next. Hope you learned the basics of parkour. See you later. Carson, not again.